Hey guys, what's up? My co-host looks a little bit different today. She's slightly fluffier than Jason, or maybe this will help her to disguise and look like Jason. Aww. Backwards? He likes it backwards. She's like, guys, leave me alone. I mean, but she's so adorable. Why would I not want to co-host with her? You want to share our story today, Lily?
RV ownership, by far and away, has been an adventurous life that we have loved to embark on. There are some not so glamorous sides, and we've tried to share that with you and show you, generators breaking down, slides, stair steps, all that stuff, right? The least favorite part of RV ownership, for me at least, and maybe this is different for you, you might enjoy this, I don't. It's washing the outside of this mug. Let me tell you what a project it is to wash this thing. It takes like an hour and a half at least. For me, maybe I'm doing it wrong. If there's something I can do to improve to make it go faster, let me know in the comment section below because I hate this job. It's not fun for me, but alas, we wash. Okay, so this is brutal. This is a part of what takes so long. This like bug gut stuff. Dude, it is like Gorilla Glue. Honestly, if someone could manufacture bug guts into glue, they'd be a gajillionaire because it'd be the strongest bond ever. I have been scrubbing this and Silas has been helping me for like 20 minutes or more just on the front of this rig. I'm literally scrubbing with a cloth, brush, soap, the whole 9 yards. So if you have a trick on how to get bug guts off, I am all ears. Okay guys, well, that's a wrap on cleaning the outside of the rig. Thanks to Silas. Nice work. Now we can feel like it's good, it's clean, it's yes. It's nice and shiny, and on with the rest of the tour.
Hey guys, welcome to our home. Come on in.
So along this journey,
So people have said like, I've been really curious to know what the inside of your rig looks like.
yeah, because you see parts and pieces kind of like here and there, boxes and mattresses were everywhere and stuff like that.
We actually really enjoy watching other videos of tours of the inside and different layouts and stuff, and so we thought, shoot, why not do a tour of our Georgie Porgy Georgetown Forest River, what is it?
It's a Forest River Georgetown 351 DS.
So let's do it. This is probably the most popular place that you've seen us other than sitting at the table.
Yeah.
Jason, of course, in the driver's seat because I'm not driving this bad boy. This is actually a really cool space. These seats turn around. This actually came with another chair right here.
Yeah, right here was like a chair.
But we put it in storage because we clearly needed a space for all the school computers, work computers, gear, all that stuff. So Jason fashioned this up and we put that in place of the other chair.
What's neat about this table, when I crafted it, was it's actually an old office file cart. And then I took floor tiles, wood floor tiles, and constructed it so these wings can swing out on both sides, and I could be sitting in the captain's chair while we're parked and work from the captain's seat, and then when we're done, obviously we can fold it back up and then it becomes a more condensed tabletop. I just thought it was such a cool idea.
So there's tons of space up here, storage cabinets, and this comes down like this and becomes another bed if we want it. See? So this is typically where Cheeko sits when we're parked, and he makes a big mess right there. But we love him anyways. Alright guys, you've seen us here before. There's actually a story behind our display here. Speaking of Silas, he had a lot of buddies at our home before we sold it, and he said, I really want to be able to bring all my buddies with me. But where are we gonna put them? We all racked our brain trying to figure out where his buddies could go, and they found their home right here. And they all have names, and he could tell you a story about them all, so they came with us on this journey.
All right, so coming down over here is the kitchen. Now, if there's one thing you want to know about me is I love to cook. And I feel like if I can cook a meal for my friend or my family, it is like an expression of love for me. So I love this space of the RV. Here's where we got our stove.
Where he makes the coffee magic.
Yeah, more importantly, we had to find space for this. If you don't know what this is a 54-ounce stainless steel double-walled French press coffee maker. If you've never had French press coffee, I dare you to try it. This is a big piece of equipment though to stay in the RV, and finding a spot for it wasn't exactly simple because it literally is so big and bulky. So maybe we'll get a different coffee solution one day, but for now we have the French press. So everything entertainment is behind this TV set, which does come out.
So like Wii games and for our epic Mario Kart battles, and that was important to have in here, so.
We do Mario Kart battles. We're not huge gamers, but that's our family jam.
If there was like one little complaint about this, I wish there were more kitchen storage, because look at this. Is it, like I can't get into it without a stool.
Yeah.
I can't reach it. And then really, there's just these cabinets. That's all she wrote for the kitchen. So that's been one of the hardest things of an adjustment for me. I mean, we do have these cabinets over here. But again, they're tough to get to when you're sitting at dinner and it's like, excuse me, I gotta get a napkin there. Just let me reach right over top of you. Right. You know, it's not easy for shorties. You know, that's all I'm gonna say.
So here's our fridge. This is actually a residential fridge. This is the same fridge that you go to Lowe's or Home Depot and purchase for literally your house. This refrigerator runs off of a dedicated inverter, so it's always 120 volts. Guys, this refrigerator is as big as the one that you have in your house, which is awesome because we can fill it full of all kinds of food, never run out, and make very few pit stops to the grocery store. That's pretty stinking cool.
I'm into the hallway. Or should I say, the boys' room?
Yes.
The boys' room. So these are their bunks, which they have totally...
Somebody didn't make their bed.
Yeah, we don't really make them make their bed. They're good kids. I mean, you know, just keep your stuff so you can do this. They have totally made it their own, as you can see. Made it like their little den. I mean, the bathroom, I guess. You want to really see the bathroom? I mean, like, I feel kind of weird showing you my bathroom.
Actually, they saw the bathroom.
Yeah, that's right, because I was, like, struggling in there.
Wrestling with the tape measure.
Only I could get a tape measure stuck. Look at it.
What?
It's stuck. It's actually a decent sized bathroom for a tiny house, I'd have to say. Come on in. So we put this up here to like house all of our towels and robes, which is actually pretty helpful. And then there's some of this cool cabinet space up there, which, you know, I struggled with a little bit. And then this is the shower, which we actually store our laundry basket and everything in. Laundry basket and an extra bathroom storage. So, you know, there's a little like maneuvering when we take showers, but it works. And our room, which is really cool because there's a ton of storage space. We actually have room. Like some RVs, you literally only have like that much room at the end of your bed, and it's kind of like, ugh. So this has a little walkway there, but like one of us, there's not a walkway on this side, so it's always like, ugh, you know?
The Superman jump.
Yeah. And then there's storage all up there and over there too. We don't have storage underneath here, which is kind of a bummer. But we do have like a super awesome pass-through one underneath of the rig, which I guess that'll take us outside to show you that.
All right, so outside we are. This bay right here is actually not a storage bay. It is an entertainment bay with a TV. Want to guess how many times we have used this? I dare you to put your guess in the comment section below. We have only used this TV one time. No joke. It's super cool for people that would want to. You got speakers right here. You could watch TV, kick it, hang with some friends, watch a football game, or your TV, you know, movie systems, but it's just not something we use. We're not huge TV watchers, so you got that. Controls out here. You have some storage bays here, right, which we use for different things. Okay, so outside storage. This was the big bay that Dellynn was talking about that's underneath our bed and doesn't allow for the under the bed storage. But now, like opening up your closet is always embarrassing. You know, like when you show a house and you're like, quick, make all that stuff go away. But this is a really cool feature that I think any RV owner would want. This is a 500-pound tray that slides and pulls like all the way out, so you don't have to dive in here to access anything that you're storing underneath your rig. Very cool storage area. Right here you got your outside access to all your plumbing stuff. 2 more storage spaces under here, along with a propane storage. And that
It's Georgie Porgy.
That is George. Thank you for touring our house today. Hope you enjoyed a tour of our house today. We had a lot of fun walking you through. It's our home, man. It's our space. This is where we live.
This is our tiny house.
Yeah.
On wheels.
And we have a lot of fun taking you on our adventures and welcoming you into our home. Let us know in the comment section below if there's something that you want to see us create or a video that you would want us to make. We'd love to hear from you and see if we can make that happen.
Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We sure appreciate you following along.
It's that little red subscribe button in the corner. Just pop that.
So we hope you enjoyed it with a cup of coffee, and we'll see you next time.
Peace. Why do we call her Lickin' Lily?
Because she likes to lick, lick, lick. If there's one downfall to Lily, that is so gross. Oh God, your finger's all wet and stuff. Nope. I like Lily, but don't be licking me like that. What? I still think you're adorable.
I think you've offended her. Look at how sad she looks. I bet she'll lick your hand if you let her.
Oh, she knows. She knows I love her, but I don't love the licks. Yeah, oh, Lily puppy.
She wants belly rubs, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I know. Oh, Lily. You're just so cute.